If you're a live broadcaster on YouTube or thinking about being a live broadcaster on YouTube, you no doubt use OBS for your live broadcasts. Some people have been confused about the new live YouTube dashboard and how you configure that to work with OBS. So I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it today. Let's get to it. In the YouTube dashboard, go ahead and click this little Go Live button right here. Next comes up a box that will ask you if you want to just reconfigure an old stream. What this means is it'll create a new stream with all the same settings of the old stream, and then you can set up the time and all that kind of stuff. This makes it really easy to just use the settings that you've already used, and I recommend doing this if you live stream on a regular basis. All you have to do is change the time. You don't have to change any of the description or the tags if you already have those in there. But we're going to start with a brand new stream for this particular example. So let's click New Stream. You want to put your title in the top. Below that, you have the settings for your live stream. Is it going to be private, unlisted, or public? Public is obviously what you need to set it at if you want people to actually see your stream. If you're doing a private stream, no one can see it. You can't share the link with anyone. If you set the stream unlisted, you can share the link with specific people and live stream just to them. Below this, you put your description in there. Make sure your description is full of the keywords used to describe what you're going to be talking about while you're live. Next, below that, you want to select what sort of stream you're going to be doing. This is just the category education, how to. There's hundreds of categories here, and they're generally going to correspond to whatever category you use for your regular videos. Below that, you have schedule for later. You just slide this slider and then select the time and date that you want to broadcast live. If you're monetized, you can enable monetization. And below that, you want to upload a custom thumbnail that's going to represent your live stream. And of course, the old COPPA selection where you can pick yes if this video is specifically made for kids. Most people are just going to click no here because we don't do live broadcasts for kids. You can go even farther with the advanced age restriction, but you'll probably never go into this. Go ahead and click Create Stream. Now, if you wanted to change something that we just set up, you can go ahead into this little edit button here and change it up. Next, we're going to click on this little gear button. Here you see your stream settings. You can allow your video to be embedded. You can also tell people whether this is a sponsored video or not. Here you can also enable your monetization. Also under details, you see additional details. And here you can click, it'll take you over to the main dashboard where you can change your tags. I highly recommend that you put tags in your live broadcast that are relevant to what you're talking about. So if you just click this, it takes you over to your main dashboard. You put your tags in and you click Save. And you can just close that tab and go back into your live broadcasting tab. We're going to go ahead and click Save out of here. Next, we want to copy our stream key out and put it in OBS. So OBS is transmitting to the right server. To do that, you just hit Copy next to the stream key here. And we go over into OBS and we click Settings. Then we go into Stream. We paste in our stream key here. And then we click OK. Now we know OBS is set up to stream to our broadcast. I go ahead and click Start Streaming, and we'll flip back over into the dashboard. Here you see in the preview it is loading up, and boom, there we go. Our stream is going. We see below it excellent connection. Now in the stream preview, you want to make sure that unless you're using headphones, you go ahead and mute your audio. Now, even if you are using headphones, the audio that comes from here is going to be delayed and really, really annoying. So you definitely just want to mute this so you don't have it coming through your PC speakers and going into your microphone, and you just get this big round robin. It's horrible, and it's really difficult to figure out why it's doing it. 9 times out of 10, it's because your preview is not muted. To the right, you've got your text area where you can interact with the folks that are in your live stream. If you go to Analytics, it's going to show you basically the same stuff that it shows you in the main dash bar. How many people are viewing, what the chat rate is, the number of playbacks you're getting, and your average watch time. These are some pretty cool stats to keep an eye on while you're live streaming. If you end up entering into a topic and you see a lot of people drop, well, it's time to not enter into that topic. But I like how real-time the data is. It's pretty cool. In viewer activity, it's going to show you any super chats or channel members that you might receive during the stream. And then stream health is going to tell you what your stream status is. If you go up to this little arrow up here, you can get the stream link, copy that out and share it to wherever you share your stuff, to Twitter or Instagram or Facebook or however you get the word out about your live stream. And in order to go live, once you're actually streaming from OBS and all connected up, if your preview looks good, you just click this Go Live button here. Takes a few moments and you are live. Now you can control the entire stream from OBS to switch scenes and everything else, just like normal. And you can see here what the delay is like. When I wave on the screen, we come back over here and moments later, we wave over here. I would say there's probably a 3-second delay in between what you see on the screen and what's actually happening in real life. And you always have to keep that in mind as it pertains to the comments that are coming into your comment section. When you are live, you get some extra features up here. You can create a highlight video. If you are monetized, you can insert an ad in a location. And when you are finished streaming, you just click End Stream. When you do this, it's going to prompt you and you can just click End again. And then it brings up a really cool little dashboard that shows you the statistics of your live broadcast. How many playbacks, your peak concurrence, in other words, the most number of people that you had in your stream, whether you received any new subscribers while you were streaming, how long you streamed, the total watch time for the stream, and of course your average watch time. You can just click Done when you're finished watching this and stop your stream from the OBS and you are all finished. If you're an OBS user and you want to learn how to do cool transitions in your live broadcast, check this video out right here. Or if you just want to see a video YouTube recommends, you can check this out right here. And if you want to learn more about tools that can help you become a better YouTuber, be it live broadcaster or creating videos, subscribe to the channel and click that bell so you know when I have new content coming out. Thank you so much for watching. Go out there and film something awesome today. Have a great day and I'll see you soon.